Uzbekistan says 18 children deaths linked to India-made cough syrup. NIA conducts raids across 56 locations in Kerala under PFI. Massive blaze in Cambodia hotel casino kills 10, 30 injured. China to resume issuing regular visas passports as COVID curbs relax.